Jay County's Tri-State Tractor and Engine Show. Some people might think it's just some hillbillies gathering to talk about tractors, but they couldn't be more wrong. Portland has a population of a little over 6,000, but during this week, 80 to 90,000 people gather to celebrate. It's kind of like Burning Man in Las Vegas if you think about it. Older people, younger people, tractor lovers, antique collectors, or people like me that just want to spend time with family and enjoy delicious fair food all feel welcome. There are many stories to be told, like the guy that buys storage units and found one that had a caved-in roof. Inside were 200 vintage cameras that the cleanup crew were just shoveling out. Luckily, the case protected this vintage Polaroid that now belongs to me. You never know who you'll meet, like the guy from Ontario that comes every year, or that Australian dude I met a couple years ago, or what you'll find at the Tri-State Tractor and Engine Show.